Let's install Java JDK to Raspberry Pi. Go to your search engine and search for SDKMAN. Copy the CURL command here and execute it on your terminal. When it is finished, you need to run this one more command here. Here you can see available JDK versions here. We can use SDK list command to list available tools to download and install. We need to use SDK list Java command to see available JDK versions. I will install JDK 24 from Amazon. Yes, it is installed and set as default JDK. When we check Java version command, we can see it's here. If this video helped you, please press like button and consider subscribing. I want to also install Java JDK 8 version because there are lots of legacy projects using Java 8 still. Okay, done. But I don't want it to be the default JDK. We can easily switch Java version with SDK use command like this. Okay, let's write some hello world in Java. First, we need to install an IDE. I will use Visual Studio Code for ease of use, but for bigger projects, I prefer IntelliJ IDEA. Let's create a Java Playground directory and create a simple app Java file in it. These will be only a Hello World application. We can compile it using Java compiler from command line and a class file will be generated. We can execute it with Java app command like this. For bigger projects, of course, you can also download IntelliJ IDEA free version community edition from here. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.